Hey, good morning, day 27. How are you? You made it. You made it through 27 days. I'm just delighted. Gold stars all around. We've still got an overcast day, several in a row now, and I think things are going to start to get a little bit brighter after this, that's for sure. But I want to congratulate you for sticking in this far. If you didn't make it every single day, that's okay. Maybe it didn't apply to you, or maybe you just needed a little bit of a break. But for the most part, I hope you were able to take away more than half of the program at least and understand a way of organizing, a way of maintenance, a way of just trying to keep things together. Once everything has its place, it's very easy to go, oh, that belongs there, or I know where to find it. Anything from where do your keys go at the front door to where did you put your gloves and your people. My husband loses his glasses all the time. You need a system set up, and I'm just delighted to have shared this time with you. And I hope that you'll know from now on, we've just went through the Christmas season. We purposely did this on the month of December. One, because it was COVID and you weren't going to get out and shop for more stuff. It was the time to actually call and prepare and go into the new year on a positive note. And I'm just so pleased that we could do this. But I want to keep you in mind about gift giving now. You know how much clutter can handle, right? What we're going to do here is we're going to make notes on what we don't want to come into our house so we can remember what not to take to other people's houses, okay? So I've had a rule for, 20 years now. Don't buy me any presents unless I can eat it, I can burn it, I can make it grow or recycle it type thing. And even if it's a book or a magazine, thank you so much. I'll embrace it and I will pass that along. If it's a flower, I'm going to plant it in the garden, and and so forth. And one of the things that I do when I wrap up, for example, a bottle of wine or some type of offer a gift of food or cookies to anybody, I wrap them in a tea towel, a seasonal tea towel. So if it's their birthday or it's for Christmas or whatever, St. Patrick's Day, whatever, is I buy little tea towels with a message on them. Just in my travels, sometimes they're at the dollar store, sometimes I pay way more than dollar store prices to find something really interesting. And I have those to use as my wrapper. And you would be surprised how many times I've gone to somebody's house with an offering, whether it be a cake or a potato salad or whatever, and I've wrapped it in a tea towel. And the host just says to me, how did you know I needed a tea towel? It's like, yeah, I know. They get dirty and you toss them away. So that's a little tip for you for wrapping and gifting away. But just keep in mind in the future, what comes in has to go back out again. And if you would like to have something to dust or collect on your space, just remember somebody else might not appreciate it quite so much. But anyway, it's okay to re-gift these things. I give you permission. It can either get re-gifted in a family Secret Santa type thing, or you can just take it to the Goodwill. Someone will be there to appreciate that. But I want you to know you've been amazing. You've come this far, and let's stay in touch, okay? There's some classes starting in the new year. One of them is about dowsing and using the pendulum or the dowsing rods to find interference lines in your house and look after that so you could get rid of those interference lines, make decisions a little bit easier using those tools as well. And other ones are going through the 5 elements and all the life areas, and there's still so much more to come. Wish you a very, very happy new year, and let's stay in touch. I'll see you again. Best wishes for 2021. Bye for now.